Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, today we are going to solve family questions which are generally asked in the reasoning section of most of these entrance exams, okay? And normally these questions are like so much of detail is given, and then after that 4 or 5 questions are being asked, okay? But before beginning with that, there are few concepts which you should know. So those concepts we can understand with the help of these single questions, okay? And these are also the kind of questions which can be part of many of these entrances. Okay, so very simple. First we will just say that male will be represented by a square and female will be represented by a circle. Okay, for marriage we will use the sign which is equal to, and for siblings means being brother sister or two brothers or two sisters, we'll use the sign of 1 dash. Okay, so now the first question in this one is, how is my brother's father's daughter's son related to me? Means how is my brother, so this is me, my brother. Okay, so there is a male whose father. Okay, so please understand, when there is a generation change we will use something like this. Okay, and if there is one more generation then we'll have something like this, and then there is one more generation. Okay, so this is me, my brother, and brother's fathers. Okay, fathers. Okay, so wait, this will not fit in, so here I write it over here, me, my brother's father, father's father. Okay, so please understand, brother's father's daughter. Okay, so daughter, again we are going to use the circle to represent a female. Daughter's son related to me. So now understand, this fellow will be what? He will be my aunt's son, right? So he will be my cousin. So option A is my answer. Okay, for now next one is, how is C's paternal grandmothers? Okay, so C, this is C's paternal grandmother. So C has a father who has a mom. Okay, grandmother's only son, so again they are talking about his father only. C is his or her father. Only son's only child is related to C. Please understand, this is quite tricky. Let's do this one more time. C's father's mother will be what? Paternal grandmother. See, if it was maternal grandmother, then it would have been C's mother's mother. Okay, so now C's father's mother's only son, so again that will be C's father. His only child will be what? Nothing but C. So here the answer to this one will be what? Himself. Okay, so you're understanding, these are specifically taken from entrance exams which are difficult as CAT, Gmat and all of that. Okay, so if you can crack these kind of questions, or if you understand these kind of questions, then you will be able to solve any family reasoning questions very easily. Okay, all you have to remember is these signs. Okay, also students, if you're liking the way I'm explaining, then please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gives me tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Also students, this is the first time I'm doing a family related reasoning question, so if you want me to do more of these, then please let me know so by typing a yes in the comment section. Okay, so the next question is, P is the only daughter of Q, who is the only son of R. So P is the only daughter of Q, who is the only son of R. Okay, and S is the son-in-law of Q. So obviously S and Q are, sorry, P and Q are married. Sorry, wait, S is the only son, sorry, this is S, here this is Q. Okay, so how is S related to P? So then S will be what? Husband of P, correct? So you're understanding how easy this is once you know how to represent them in form of male, female, and using these signs. Okay, so now students, coming to the big question, where the question is, in a family there are 7 members. Okay, and they're saying A is the sister of B. So A will be what? She's a female and she's a sister of B. Okay, who is wife of D? Now understand, whenever there's a comma and then there is another sentence, you're talking immediately about the person who was written before comma. Okay, so B will be wife of D. Please understand, here who is not about A. Okay, it is about B, and again she's the wife, so again she will be a female and D will be the male. Now D is the brother of E, whose nephew is F. Okay, so now E has a nephew which will be F, so we can say that F is what? Son or daughter of B and D, correct? And C is the grandfather of, so C is the grandfather of F. Okay, and is the husband of G. So now these people are married. Okay, and G is the mother of D. So again, so now understand, here we didn't know F's grandfather is what, paternal or maternal, but now after coming to know that G is the mother of D, we know that C will be the paternal grandfather of F, and G has only one son. Okay, so now if this one is the son, only one son, then E will be a female, correct? So now looking at this particular conversation, one second, we come to know all of these details except for the gender of F, and actually the gender of F is also mentioned because it is known as he is a nephew, so here F is also a male. Okay, so now the first question is, how many females are there in total? So how many females? 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So option C is the answer to this one. Okay, so next is, how is F related to A? So F will be what? F will be the nephew of A, correct? How is C related to B? So C will be what? Father-in-law of B, right? Because C is the father of D and D is the husband of B, correct? So you saw how easily we could crack these kind of questions. Students, if you like the way I'm explaining, please go ahead and hit the like button, and if you want me to make such videos, then please let me know so by typing a yes in the comment section. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.